To get the Chase Freedom or not to get the Chase Freedom is the question. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Easy Money, where money making is made easy. First off, I want to say a special shout out to all the new subbies. We have a lot of new people that have joined our family. I want to say welcome. It was great talking to some of you guys in the comments. You all really seemed to enjoy my last video where we talked about the Chase Freedom Flex card that is soon to be launched in the next few days. So today we're talking about whether or not it would be worth it to jump on the OG Chase Freedom card before it goes out of production, and whether or not this will make for the ultimate quadfecta. Maybe. Now I want you to keep in mind though that the details are current as of the publication date of this video, but if you're watching this in the future, you want to make sure to double check, do your own due diligence so that you know that all the details are as up to date as possible. So first, let's go over the pros for why you might want the Chase Freedom card. So for everybody that's interested in the credit card game, you're probably most interested in the sign-up bonus. I think going for this card, the number one pro is the sign-up bonus that you're offered. So for both the Flex and the Freedom, the sign-up bonus is the same, $200 after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. If you get both of these cards, that means you're making $400 after spending just $1,000. Not to mention the 5% back that you get from grocery stores in 2020. Up to $12,000. That is an additional $1,200. Please keep in mind that you are eligible for a sign-up bonus if you do not have the card and you have not received a new card member bonus for this card in the past 24 months. Now that applies for each of these cards individually. The good thing here though is that the Freedom, the Flex, and the Unlimited are considered separate cards. So another pro is that the categories on the new Flex card are going to be identical to the Freedom. So if you have the Freedom and you also have the Flex, together you no longer have that $1,500 cap. It is now brought up to $3,000. As of right now, you can't hold more than one Freedom Flex card. So if you choose to get the OG Freedom card, this could put you at an advantage. You can have 2 bonus category earning cards. If you guys are interested in videos that talk about credit card perks and maximizing benefits so that you could travel for free, and if you like money education and just tips and tricks on maintaining your financial health, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you're hearing, hit that like button. Okay, back to the video. So we talked about the pros. Let's talk about the cons of getting the OG Freedom card. First and foremost, your credit score will take a ding because a hard inquiry will need to be performed in order to get you to qualify, unless of course you are product changing from another card. So the second con is that it will be taking up a slot in your 5 and 24. That's it. In summary, I don't give advice on this channel. I merely share my experiences and you guys can do what you will with that information. It's for entertainment purposes. But let's say I didn't have the Freedom card. I would take the time now to go get the Freedom card. Let's say I was concerned with my 5 and 24 slots. And in that case, I would product change from one of my cards down to the Freedom card. And lastly, if I already hold the Freedom card, I would keep the Freedom card. That's it. In summary, whether or not you elect to hold a quadfecta is up to you. A lot of people don't find value in the Flex cards. I mean, call it unpopular opinion, but again, it's up to you. I mean, it's all really up to you, right? You could do what you want, but I want you to take a look at the things that are offered on the Flex. So with the Flex card, you get 5% back on purchases made through the UR portal. Just know though that the travel insurance offered with this card is subpar to that is offered with the Reserve and the Preferred. The Flex card is an amazing card for somebody who is just starting out. Let's say you just had a secured card and you're getting into the Chase game. It's perfect, right? The Flex card is amazing. The Unlimited, also an amazing card. The Freedom, also an amazing card. So you can't really go wrong. That again was a super quick video. I hope it helped make your decision a little bit easier, a little bit more informed. So I'm trying to decide what I want my next video to be. Would you guys like to see a video on student loan repayment and strategies about that? Or would you like strategies on buying a car? Make sure to leave your comment down below or fill out the poll that's linked in the cards. If you got value from this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time here on Easy Money.